Let's go for some fresh air, to see some beauty, and to hear from the nature. On sunny days, you can see the crowds of happy people coming out to enjoy the sun. But when we get closer to winter, it's like anyone hides in their lonely cave. It's really interesting, the way weather affects people's mood and behavior. For me, I'm so attached to the sun, but I also love the rain so much. My grandma always says, rain washes away all impurities, takes them deep into the earth. Mother Earth transforms them into the pure beauty and allows them to come up to the surface again. She says, rain washes the soul. Such a beautiful mindset, isn't it? I feel really blessed. I have been born and raised in a family that pays deep attention to all the details of life. And they taught me not to look at the world in a very ordinary way, but to see everything as miracles. One month has passed since we adopted this cutie, and she brought us a very special kind of love. She was very weak and sick, but fortunately, she seems to be recovering so quickly. We named her MAHA. In my language, Persian, it means when you're calling the moon in a very poetic way. Something like, oh, you're the moon. She has got some gray spots on her head that make her look more like the moon. Looking at her is kind of meditating for me. Sometimes I drop all my works just to look at her for hours and hours. What's really amazing about cats is the variety of personalities they have. Cats give you the chance to discover them, but they can surprise you every time. And what's strange about MAHA is, among all the toys she has, she likes to play with the pens I write with and chew on the books I read. The Divine Comedy by Dante is what I'm reading these days. I'm trying to stop MAHA from chewing it. As one who sees in dreams and wakes to find the emotional impression of his vision, still powerful while its parts fade from his mind, just such am I. Having lost nearly all the vision itself, while in my heart I feel the sweetness of it yet, to still and fall.